All right, so this prep work / homework is about supplementary, complementary linear pairs and vertical angles, right? And you have to watch the previous video to get a sense of what we are talking about. So let's take a look at question number 1. It says find the value of x and y. Notice, right, they're giving you 4 different angles. You don't know whether this is 90 degree or not, so never make that assumption, okay? That's A. But B, look at the position of the angles. Notice how x, the ones with the variables x is right next to each other. Well, all you have to do then is say like, oh yeah, because x and x is next to each other and y is and y is next to each other, that means that these 2 angles right here make a sunrise. And because it's a sunrise, and from the previous video, you understand that both of them are going to be supplementary, right? So that means what I'm going to do is take 7x minus 248, and I'm going to add it to this x plus 44, angle 1 plus angle 2, and both of these together is ultimately going to give you 180 degrees. Great. At this point, I'm going to combine like terms very quickly. 8x and then negative 248 plus 44 is going to give me negative 204 equals 180. And from here, I'm going to add 204 to both sides. So 8x is equal to 384. And from here, 384, I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. I'm going to have to do this math mentally. 38 divided by 8 is going to give me 48. X is equal to 48. And that's the answer to the first question. Bam. Okay? So now that we solved for x, you guys have to do the same thing for y. Notice how y is exactly in the same position as this. So it's a sunrise or supplementary angle. And because it's supplementary, you're going to do the same setup. Set it up equal to 180. And then whatever y is equal to, that's the answer over there for question number 2. Okay. This question right here, I don't even have to tell you, I don't even have to show you the setup. All I can tell you is if it's asking for x, and this is an SAT question, you should be able to beat it, right? It's super easy because I see a straight angle, therefore it's a sunrise. So I already know whatever the setup is, you're gonna set it up equal to 180 degrees, okay? Think carefully, it's so straightforward. Okay, so whatever the answer to x is, that's question number 3, okay? Right over here, using this diagram to solve for x and y. Well, there's lots of ways you can go about doing this, right? You could solve for x first and then substitute it here and then set this equal because they're vertical, or you could just set up the supplementary angle, right? Right away, I see a straight angle. I'm gonna draw my sunrise like I normally, so I have a straight angle. And if I know this is a sunrise and a supplementary, I know it's going to be 2x minus 5 plus 75 equals 180, okay? That distinction never goes away. Straight angle equals 180. And because of that, all I have to do is combine like terms. You have here 2x is equal to plus 70 is equal to 180, and then you got here 2x is equal to 110. Once you have this, you could solve for x right away. Now, how would you get to y? There's 2 ways that you should be able to get to y, okay? So whatever the answer is for x, you guys fill in there. But there's 2 ways that you can think about getting to y. The first way is, notice how this is a straight line. Because this is a straight line, you can draw literally a straight, the sunrise thing, because this is a straight angle between 75 and 4y plus 25. So you could set it up that way. Or you could substitute x, right, into 2 times whatever x is minus 5 and set that equal to 4y plus 25 because you already know. So I'm going to write 4y plus 25 equals to 2 whatever x minus 5 is. That's one way. Or the other way is going to be add angle 1 and angle 2 up to equal to 180. Okay? But you're going to have to do that math on your own because I'm not teaching you or not showing you. All right, good luck. Have fun, guys.